gamers! Welcome to our tutorial on creating a fantastic gaming logo using Wepik's editor. It's a simple and fun process, and we're going to guide you through it step by step. Head over to Wepik and begin by choosing a gaming logo template that suits your style. Wepik has a vast collection of templates to pick from. Once you've selected your design, click on it to open it in Wepik's intuitive online editor. Here is where the magic happens. This is the stage where your creativity takes the driver's seat. Experiment with different colors that reflect your gaming style. Add text that resonates with your persona, and don't shy away from playing around with various fonts to give it a unique touch. Your logo isn't just an image, it's your gaming identity given visual form. So, let loose, enjoy the process, and create something that's truly yours and represents you in the gaming world. When you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to download your masterpiece. And there you have it. With Wepik's editor, creating a gaming logo is as easy as 1, 2, 3. That's Wepik, design made easy for your business.